What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I make a video almost every single day on the path to $30,000 a month. And then once I hit that, we will start a new vlog series, but that is what it is. Every single day it's a vlog series, a business and ups and downs in business. So if you're interested in that, subscribe down below. Like I said, I make a video every single day, almost every single day until I hit 30K a month. Today's gonna be pretty busy. We're gonna be doing customer orders and then we're gonna be doing FBA shipment. I told you guys yesterday, if you watched the video or the day before yesterday, that I was going to LA to go meet up with a buddy of mine that's playing at the Troubadour. Super cool guy. You guys probably know him. His name's Kaleo. He's got a few pretty big hit songs. So I went there. I dropped off a hat for him, met a few people, networked. It was really fun. And then got home at like 2 a.m. last night. I decided to drive home because there's no traffic. So it was like an hour and a half to get back to San Diego. So now I'm back. We just went to a coffee shop. I got some cut files ready to make for the customer orders. And then we got new hats in, guys. If you didn't see these in the last videos, this is a brown and beige. Probably my favorite hat I've made yet. We also have that highlighter orange, which is gonna be really good for workers. So if you're interested, I will also put a discount code in this video that'll only last 3 days. So if you are interested in getting a hat, I will do a 20% off one time, 3 days. So if you want one, go ahead and check it out. We have more people buying. I already got 2 orders yesterday. So I'm pretty pumped on how this is working. Let's get to the video, get some customer orders done, and we'll see you guys in a bit. So a little update here. I realized I don't want to be restocking my stickers anymore, and I already had a manufacturer doing my stickers and I stopped doing it. A lot of the reason was because I did not have money at the time because I was getting sued, as you know. There's videos in the way back, if you look, there's one that says getting sued. If you haven't watched it and you're new to this channel and you're like, what are you talking about? Okay, so I'm thinking from here on out, at least for now, I'm gonna get my manufacturers to make all my stickers and decals again, so then I can solely focus on Coastal Cowboys. This brand has meant so much to me since I started it. It is embedded in me and I resonate with it so much. My whole life I've been fishing, camping, listening to country music, but surfing, skating, doing all the things a coastal person would do. And I'm a freaking Coastal Cowboy, man. This resonates with me more than any clothing brand I've ever had. And I have been getting the best feedback on it. So I would like to get my stickers and decals fully remote. I want to be fully remote with that. So that will make me money when I'm traveling, doing whatever. It pays the bills, pays for food, and then have this as my sole focus brand so I can keep expanding this to become actually something in this community and spreading out. So if you do want to support my company, my new brand, Coastal Cowboys, I will have the link in the description. And like I said, I'll put a 20% discount that you can use on the website for 3 days starting today. So if you see this video, I'll put a 20% discount so you can go buy yourself a hat. I have this color, I have that orange, I have navy, I have brown, I have all of them. So if you want, I'll have that in the link in the description. Guys, this is the end of the video because I am not doing the restock and I just finished the orders for the customers. So now we will go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money that we made. All right, guys, so starting with Shopify for Coastal Cowboys, we made $36.50. We made $72.63 on eBay yesterday. And we made $504.24 on Amazon, which is good news. So we made a total of $613 yesterday in revenue, but actually the day before we made $700 in revenue. So now we're at $9,155, guys. Like I said, I just got to keep believing that we can hit that 30K mark and it will happen. I hope this is like proof to show you, like, just do not stop when things get rough. You keep going. That is what you have to do. You do not have a choice. Make that a no option. You have no option to stop. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe down below if you haven't already. Like the video for the YouTube algorithm, also for other people like you in your mindset to find my videos, and hopefully I can help them out as well. Like I said, guys, the link in the description for 20% off the Coastal Cowboys hats for 3 days only will be below starting today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your night.